Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can sell a domain on Namecheap. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you log into your Namecheap account, what you will have to do is go to the account section and then click domain list and wait for it to load. And by the way, you have to make sure that you already have your domains. So once you have your domain here, what you will have to do is basically just select the domain that you would want to sell, and then you will see the click the more option, and then you will just have to click that, and then you will click sell domain. And then you will enter the sale price and choose listing options. For example, Namecheap Marketplace or other platforms. Then you will confirm your listing and you will click submit. Wait for a buyer, and once purchased, you will transfer ownership using domain transfer process. So it should be right here. So yeah, it really depends on the layout of your Namecheap. So yeah, that's basically just it. Once you're done, you will just have to verify the payment and ownership transfer is completed successfully. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really did hope that it did help, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.